Hey guys, what up? It's your boy Beefy123, and today we're going to be playing a new game on Roblox. We're going to be playing some Pokemon Fight CX, and a Volcanion spawned. I have no idea if I actually have Volcanion, so I'm just gonna, as soon as my mouse starts to work. Okay, right. Leaving the server and rejoining. A different one. Yeah, sorry guys if you hear like a ding 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 at the door. That's just gonna be my my step siblings or my siblings arriving. So we can just say that we are exactly 1 minute into our video. As I say, I do not mean that. But you guys do know that there's a code. So what we're going to do is we're going to ask people on the server what that code is. And if they don't answer, we'll search it up on Google. Yeah, Google. And I really do not want you to see my face right now. And sorry if this is extremely glitchy. It's just because of my stuff, my big fat stuff. No, it's because my computer's 10 years old. Well, and as you saw, I have a headset for I've had this quite a long time. I've not recorded for about 2 weeks now. Sorry about. I'm not like Dan CDM and every YouTuber who recorded every day. Actually, I might record every day. On the last server, a Volcanion spawned, and on this server, a Volcanion has spawned. What is it with Volcanions? Are they like a magical creature to people? I want to see if I can get this. I want to see if I have Volcanion or not. Do I haven't did okay. Yeah, I think I have Volcanion. If I don't just then don't leave a like. I'm a dumb face. Ooh yeah, this is where Lunala used to spawn until it Pestily came on to, you know, Cosmog. Yeah, what happened to Cosmog is that like it has an evolution now, like Cosmog, yeah, it has a evolution Cosmoem, and then that can evolve if you level it up in either daytime or nighttime. Right, just don't worry about that. I already have that off. But if you evolve it in the daytime, you get Solgaleo, and if you evolve it in the night, you get Lunala. By the way, Lunala is the big flappy bat thing, and Solgaleo is like the, you know, the golden white lion that you'll find out like in the Alola region. Right, that is them right there where my cursor is. That is Lunala. That is Solgaleo. And Kanto, what should I be? Mew or Mewtwo? Mewtwo. And I will show you where I'll show you. I think you like start off with here, so I'll just, if you started the game, just follow me. I'll be much faster than you, so ooh, gems. Right. So I'll be showing you where Cosmog spawns. So all you need to do is follow me up the hill. Up this hill, through this gate, over here, Groudon, wait, I don't have Groudon. Sorry guys, gonna have to get Groudon. Show you where Cosmog spawns in a minute. After I've got Groudon. Good? Okay. Yeah. Come on, Mewtwo. You know, I've been waiting. Mewtwo! 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 Mewtwo, I am waiting. I was gonna go as Mega Rayquaza. Finally, Mewtwo spawned. Mewtwo appeared. That happens with me all the time. It's very annoying. Oh no, Cosmo. Cosmo, I'm after it. I know it despawned. It despawned on me. Guys, I'm so sorry. Right, I think you guys saw that. I think you guys saw Groudon. So if I won't lead you to where he spawns because that's quite long journey. Tapu Koko. Right, I know where Tapu Koko spawns, so I've got Tapu Koko. I will show you where Tapu Koko spawns. So up the hill, across the thing, right? So if you just search up how to get Tapu Koko, or you can watch this video. You spawn here, you run across here with your fastest Pokemon, get through this crack in the wall. And by the way, Cosmogs will spawn there because there is definite proof that Tapu Koko spawns here. Look, Tapu Koko. Yeah, look, it's Tapu Koko. It doesn't even have the name. It does not have the name at the top. By the way, that's my name. My name. Look, it does not have a name. You can see the names from a very long distance. Right, if I see another Mewtwo running in here, for my life. Yeah. Right. Because I just went to here, boom, zip there. Now I'm going to do the whole process. As a Charmeleon. Yeah, I did buy Mega, I did get Charizard. Oh, Xerneas! Right. Xerneas is pretty much in the exact same spot as that guy, that Tapu Koko. Look, Xerneas is right there. Right there. So, that guy might be, that guy might watch my videos. Except for that no one watches my videos, which is depressing. And by the way, guys, if you do not know, I'm only in year 3. So please just say in the comment section below if my grammar's wrong. And my stepsister, they were meant to be here by 10 past. Now it's 20 past. What's happened? Okay, so you'll run to the very edge. Very, very edge. Yeah. And then here's Xerneas. I do have Xerneas. Cosmog! Guys, should we do the whole process? No, don't do the whole process. So it's in this area as well as all those other things. It's a bit weird that first a Tapu Koko spawns and it's in one area, then a Xerneas spawns and it's in the exact same area, and then a Cosmog spawns, and it's in the exact same area. It's a bit weird. Not a bit weird. Extremely weird. Just get up these jumps. My Mewtwo's very fast. If you want Mega Mewtwo Y, this is Mega Mewtwo X. I just bought the Megazone for this with gems. I've only got like 100 like gem things because I bought Mega Charizard out just today. Right, so you see that little white crystal thing? That's where you need to go into, and it's a bit complicated after that, a tiny bit. So my thing's really glitchy. So if I do all these weird noises, yeah, right, I'm in. Some of you will have to do the whole parkour up there, but if not, yeah. Sorry guys, right. Sorry. I'm just gonna have to go for a minute. Yeah, I'm recording a video right now. Right, and it just spawned up here and jump up here. That Lunara's got it. And then you just jump up there and Cosmog spawns there. Right, now for the whole process. As Charmeleon. It's gonna be a pain. That Lunara did not kill me. Right.
I want to make the video of the dancing dog again. Why did I delete it?
Of the boxing dog. I was doing this box to be fit thing at school, and it was really bad. Okay, guys, right, we're gonna have to end the video here. I will do some stuff in my next video. So, just wait for my thing to leave the game.
Okay, bye.
My headset's sweaty. Please. And I'll see you.